Welcome to part 2 of the Gateway saga, quote-unquote. Finally, after, well, technically it's still the same day, but I'll upload this later, but after like 7 hours of working on it, I finally get to the part where I originally had planned the video for, which is installing the software. So, we set up the system, got all the drivers, let's start with, yes, I know this pamphlet has Windows 95. It's, technically, when we bought this gateway, it came from 95, but we bought it in 98, so we ordered it with 95, and they threw in a free copy of 98. So it has the software that would go with 95. So let's open the... put that over there. Let's open the CD drive. Let's install there's a disk missing. Or it's misplaced. So let's start with Office 97. Well, I'm going to install everything. So, I'm going to assume that the mouse will work. We're going to install Word first. Hold on while I get the key. Once we got past that screen, we'll then go and finish the installation. So that seems like a good installation path. Gonna click OK. And we're going to do custom, because I want to make some web pages. I'll install. Get the most out of Windows Word. Get the most out of Microsoft Word 97. Register now. Automates navigation. Spell check. I think Office is the only Microsoft product that comes on a CD that you don't need the CD for verification. I mean, like, you don't need to put the CD in when you start it. Okay, setup completed successfully. Excel 97. Continue. let's continue with the installation of Excel 97. Again, that's a good installation path. Reading from the CD. We're going to do custom, like with all the installations we're going to do. We're going to do select all, do continuation, get the must-have, blah blah blah, register now. Excel makes it bring more functionality, easier to use, better look, natural language formulas, camera out of focus. There you go. If you want to read the little info things that pop up, you can pause the video to read them. I mean, I can always zoom in, but I should get a tripod for this. Let's do Outlook. Not that this will ever connect to the internet. Not that this will ever connect to the interwebs, but might as well make it the full-fledged experience. That's again a good installation path. We'll do the custom. We're going to do tab over, just do select all, and do a tab to the OK. Continue whatever. I didn't click cancel or anything. No, it's probably just queuing up the disk. There we go. Checking for hard drive space. Easily organize. Outlook was completed. Yay! I was doing okay. And one thing you need to realize that this is all on a 720 megabyte CD-ROM. So they fit full versions of Office, Excel, Publisher, Outlook on one CD. Now, Microsoft Office, if you don't get the download version, is like several gigabytes. Hit OK. That's a good one. I need like a tripod for my phone. Do they sell like phone tripods? I wonder. Custom. Tab over. Select all. Come on. This may be a little bit too much for it. Guess one of the options which I selected required some system files. So, click OK. And we're gonna continue on. Thank you for selecting Microsoft Publisher 97. I just need to find my inkjet printer. Then I can be making some sweet posters. With like Sanskrit and Sanskrit and some of that clip art, like that guy with the orangey hair and the white shirt, I think, and that dog, and the picture of those flowers. Man, clip art. If you want, you can post in the comments what's your favorite clip art. There will be more than 2 parts. After this part, which is part 2, I'll probably also do some games. Yeah, I'll be able to fit all the stuff I want. Because it's a 20 gigabyte, and it says there's about, either I used up 10 gigabytes or 1 gigabyte. I think it's 10 gigabytes because it said like 9 gigabytes free, which is a little bit surprising. Oh, and after we do works, we still have a lot more fun to do. We have what is this? It's bookshelf, whatever that is. And Streets 97. I think what I'll install is IE and Encarta. And then Home Essentials. The other stuff you really, it's like... Oh, look at the clip arts. It's so clippy and arty. I think I saw Penguin. Oh, a bunch of people. Race cars, sailboats, scuba divers, skaters, soccer, sports, springs, squirrels, summer sweater tennis, toys, volley, wedding, wine, surf, women, shower. Huh? That's something. '97 Deluxe includes over 5,000 clip art, 150 fonts. Wait, is that? Yes, just bask in that glory. That is something. Let's try the automatic focus now. back. There we go. A bunch of baby ones. Okay. This is taking longer than I thought. I'll probably pause the video and... No need to worry at all. I checked the space left. I guess I misread, and it said 19 gigabytes free. I'm like, how can I use up 10 gigabytes already? Like, no, there's 18.5 gigabytes free. We have all the space in the world. And my finger's in front. Okay. That's ADD for you. Yeah, see, when people make fun of people with ADD, they always go and use the cliche, ooh, squirrel, or ooh, shiny. It's like, it doesn't really happen all the time. Shiny. No, it doesn't always happen all the time. It's just mostly it's difficult to focus on more than 2 tasks at the same time. Or focusing on one task that requires intense concentration. We are almost done. Setup is updating your system. This may take several minutes, and there's a little radar Pi wedge loading screen thing that just popped up. Microsoft Publisher 97 has completed after like 14 hours. Let's see, so we last did Publisher. So we're going to go over to continue, tab, continue, okay, and then we're going to put the LEM key. After that continued, after that finished, we'll continue in. The template is being prepared to give you ideas. Okay. We're going to do a custom, which is the only option available. Interesting. So, since this is a 20 gigabyte hard drive, the probably installer package, but Microsoft programs, Office that is, will not recognize anything bigger than 9,999 megabytes, which should be 9 gigabytes. So, it's probably to do with Windows Installer 2.0. And yes, we are in the United States. Because that's what threw me off. I thought I had under 10 gigabytes left, but I guess I didn't because, well, it can't read all the space. It can allocate the space, but something about the way Windows sees it, it just doesn't know what to do with the size. That's new. Consistence failed. It's not completed successfully. I hope this works somehow. Let's go over here. I think we'll strip the server thing next. Because maybe that's what's failing. It just tries to connect to the internet. Launch this. Upon further review, I found out that Financial Manager 97 requires internet access and a personal small web server to be running, which I neither had the software nor an internet connection. So, I mean, all I really needed was the Outlook and the Publisher and Word and stuff like that. Why is this? that's something. Let's do Encarta next. Welcome to Encarta 98. This wizard will show you how to install it. This wizard will guide you through the installation of Encarta 98. So it's installing Shockwave. With that 52 times CD-ROM drive, it actually goes a lot faster than last time I remembered. Installing software, that is. Oh, okay. So I guess the second disk is the start disk. So yeah, it's installed. Okay. What else to do? Let's do Home Essentials last. See, I don't have to pirate any of this software because I actually own it. Some people, to be unnamed, now let's do a custom on this one. Okay, and let's do all of them. Exit. That about wraps up part 2. In part 3 we'll be covering themes, wallpapers, customization, screensavers, and games. Stay tuned.